Picture this, 200 fragrances, cash, elixirs, swallowed by a freak flood tomorrow. Out of the wreckage, I'd fish up 5 fragrances my family can't live without. This is 5 fragrances for life. Stick around, my son Rayray's pick might just steal the show. Let's dive in. Mine first, Boss Bottled Elixir. Hugo Boss dropped this beast in 2023. An elixir concentration, not your dad's weak eau de toilette. Pine and frankincense lead, with cardamom adding spice. Extremely high-end ingredients, great quality. Perfect for those chilly evenings because this projects cozy strength. Yeah! That frankincense. Definitely something a wise man would gift Jesus. My go-to, Missoni Wave. A 2020 release from Italy's Style Crew. Citrus and sea salt pop, while vanilla and musk smooth things out. It's a real crowd pleaser, anytime, anywhere, office, daytime, and the magnetic cap is a bonus. Shout out to Jen Sense. Now this gets the go ahead because it is my versatile champ. My wife's diamond, Lattafa Yara Moi. Eau de parfum from Dubai. Peach and coconut mixed with vanilla like a Caribbean breeze in a bottle. She's from the islands, so this is her vibe. Pure sunshine. It's a tropical steal at 30 bucks. And I'd rebuy it because this is her daily win. Smells like home and she rocks it. All right, halfway there, but Rayray's pick is next. And if you think he's just a kid, wait till you hear why his scent is a game changer. Don't bounce yet.
My scent for life, Hawas. It has apple, cinnamon, and musk. It's like a king's cologne for a kid. I feel unstoppable.
And we get this again because he's my wingman. This keeps us both fresh. My 6-year-old daughter chose her fragrance for life, Delilah by Maison Alhambra. A 22 clone of Delilah. Fresh rose blooms with jasmine, caramel, and a sandalwood backing. It's like a floral hug with depth. And at $20, it's a no-brainer. I'd rebuy this because it's her now and later. Youthful flowers, mature roses, all growing up together. But if Delilah starts seducing men, we're gonna have to rethink this choice. Bonus, my 6-month-old baby's pick, Versace's The Dreamer. This came out in 1996. It's got juniper, tobacco, amber, but to my nose, it's clean, soapy, and a little bit of baby powder sprinkled in. A timeless gem for $30. And also Versace's last scent before his untimely murder in 1997. This fragrance projects legacy. Pure class from day one. That's our 5, plus a bonus. Our lifeline, in case that flood comes and we have to build an ark to save our scents. Well, save me too, and my wife and children, and we'll save you, but you gotta put a comment below on what fragrance you'll bring. Also, did Rayray deliver? Boop that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to keep that whiff of MaikOlfactory in your feed. Now, if you're wondering what to watch next, stay afloat with my last video, 7 secret scents. Stay fragrant. I'm out.